YouTubers, today I'm making a video about this. I have a birdhouse and my dad's gonna set this up. There's a door back here that you can open like this. And the bird comes in there, I think. Or maybe you put the food in there. And there's also another door in here. And I think the bird can hang here. And this is only for birds to hang on with. They can live in here. There's like some little decorations here, like a flower pot, roses on the backs. It's like a house. A door, another flower pot. These are actually fake. And a window right here, a fence here, stairs here to get up, like la 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 la. And another window here. Another window. This is just a quick interview. Here's the chimney, the roof. It kind of looks like a triangle because it is a triangle. And that's what it looks like. So our dad also got us bird food at Petco. He ordered this on Amazon. And this thing costs like about $30 or $20, I think. I'm not sure. There's just a log here too. And that's gonna be the end of showing you guys what our new birdhouse looks like. And see you guys next time. Bye.